Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we will do a bonus video. I will show you how estimating works for a typical commercial building project. If you have been watching since the first video, overall we covered everything from Excel spreadsheet setup, basement calculation, concrete, wood framing, drywall, masonry, rebar, sloped roofing, floor finishes, condo units, pricing for material, labor, subtrade quotes. Finally, there was cost summary. However, everything we talked about so far was just one chapter of the whole book. If you have the worksheets file with you, you will see this is only one chapter. And the other chapters, there will be tons of Excel spreadsheet to look at. Apparently, I cannot do every chapter on this channel. Today, though, we can at least look at one more example, which is in chapter 5. Open up a spreadsheet and go to the first tab, which is the bid workup sheet. The sheet has a few basic elements: item ID and descriptions, quantity, units, labor unit price, labor cost, material unit price, material cost, subcontract unit price, and the subcontract cost. Finally, the total cost for the item. With a typical commercial building projects, most of the items will be done by the subtrades. However, you will need to be realistic about where the numbers will be coming from. For example, on stone veneer, the subtrade is unwilling to provide a lump sum quote, so it's necessary for you to measure the quantity, and then you use the unit price from the subcontract. On items like rough carpentry, it seems no subtrade is willing to do such a small amount of work, so you will have to buy the material and use your own labor. Another thing that's going to happen on the bid day is every line item should have a number in the end and have a name beside the number. No lines should be left blank. If you set up your spreadsheet properly, the cost for labor, material, and the subtrade will be transferred over to the next tab, which is our bid recap sheet. From that, you can do the cost summary with the direct cost and the indirect cost plus profit. Finally, this will be our bid total. For a commercial building project, the bid is more than just working out a total number. In the book, you will find a checklist for all kinds of requirements that's going to happen on the bid day. Excel spreadsheet can also help you. On this one, you can see the spreadsheet has been set up to deal with the cost breakdown requirements. What you do is you go to bid workup sheet. On every line, you assign something called a cost code, which is the required breakdown from the client. In the end, by using the SumIF function, we'll be able to get a total summary of the cost breakdown items. So this concludes our last tutorial on Excel estimating. I wish you liked those videos. You can subscribe to the channel. In the future, we are going to have more exciting and interesting topics. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.